today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make trading card NFTs using your phone. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love the best crypto videos, leave a like, subscribe, and put that notification bell so you guys can be up to date with the best crypto videos. So like I said, how to make trading card NFTs. You're going to have options from a bunch of different templates for your trading card NFTs, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first step is you're going to need this app called Ninja FT, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to leave the link for iOS and Android, if they have one for Android, in the description below. Just click on it, download it. It should look something like this. It's kind of like a ninja. You're going to click on it. There's a bunch of features within this app. You can actually mint NFTs. If you guys want to learn how to mint NFTs using your phone on the blockchain, like legit minting, I made a video on that. I'll leave it in the pinned comment below. And also how to mint gas free, like no fees. I'll leave that in the pinned comment below. So what you want to do next is you want to scroll down until you see trading cards. This is what's awesome about this, guys. This is 100% free, by the way. You can create, you have a gallery, you have showcase, you can buy others too, but right here, create, and look at all these different types of templates. They have the FIFA ones, they have basketball, they have baseball templates, they have football, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! They have all different types of trading card templates that you can make for an NFT collection. Okay, this is the best app for it, I'm telling you guys. And all you guys gotta do is, once you find one that you like, right, let's say I want to do like a Pokemon one, for instance. You click on it right here. All you guys gotta do now is just edit it. That's it. You click on edit. You click right here. Instead of saying hits, you can say something else, right? You can change the number. You can also change the picture, which is the main part of this. Click edit. Put whatever picture you want. You can also put a second picture. I think this is like the element for it. So again, you want to take your time with this. I'm obviously just going through this because it's a video. You can edit literally every part of this card just within this app. Okay, the background color, text color, overall, flag. Okay, click plus, and boom. Obviously, like again, this is just for the video. This is not the best example, but as you guys can see, I can edit it, literally everything about this, right? The color, the background color, the wording, everything. And they have different colors here, as you guys can see, which is awesome. After you're done, all you guys gotta do is click save. It should be saved here. But then what you want to do is here, you can either mint it right here within this app. And I actually made a video on that. You guys can go watch if you want to mint it here. Or you can just click on share and then click save image. When you click save image, it's going to be saved in your gallery, which then you can transfer to your computer and then basically mint it that way. Or like I said, you can mint it within your phone, which is a little harder than computer, but it's still possible. And you guys can watch that video. So boom, right there, look at this. Obviously, as you guys can see, there's a little watermark here, but you can just crop that out. You can literally just crop that part out and just make it, okay, just the trading card NFT. Obviously, you can crop it out better, but look at that, boom. That's it. That's how you take out the watermark, right? It's that simple. This app, one, has a variety of different types of trading card NFT templates. It's just crazy. I mean, you can just scroll down and see there's so many wrestling. Like, this is just awesome. And the fact that you can fully edit them just makes it even better, right? And especially using your phone. So take advantage of this. If you guys want to create a trading card NFT, this is the apps to get. If you guys want to learn how to mint NFTs on your phone and also mint gas free, both those videos are in the pinned comment below. You guys can go watch. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.